family, it's another Keisha and Kaya collaboration video, and for our last collaboration for the year, we decided to do a Kente Cloth inspired makeup look in honor of Kwanzaa. So if you celebrate Kwanzaa, this look is for you. This is the look that I created, blue gold eye that I always wanted to do, and this is the look that Keisha created. Don't forget to head over to Keisha Adinkra's channel, check out her tutorial, check out the look that she created for Kwanzaa, and show her some love, you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and share her video as well. Without further ado, not too much talking on my part, let me go ahead and get into this tutorial because I have somewhere to go. Cookie Puss by Addictive Cosmetics is my first color, and that is going to be my crease color. Right on top of that one, we're going to go in with Masala. This is from Mother Bear's Handmade. Some Masala right on top of that. Next color I'm going to add is Cabernet from Brown Leaf Cosmetics. So Cabernet right there in the crease area, just to deepen the crease some more, because the Kente Cloth has like this very nice, rich, dark burgundy-ish color. Just to blend it all together, I'm going to use the same brush I used to apply the initial crease color, the brown colors. I'm just going to blend that all together. Not necessarily adding more color, I'm just using the same colors, the same brush, same dirty brush, just to blend everything together. Next, I'm going to go in with this. It's like a lightish blue, it's not dark. This is from Brown Leaf Cosmetics, and this is Laguna Beach. So it's like it is a light blue from Brown Leaf Cosmetics, but I think it will pair well. Because my eyelids, you know, with the melanin and all that, it's not going to show up that light. Well, hopefully not. We're going to just pat that all over the lid. Now with all that blue, now we blend. And I'm using the same brush that I used to apply Cabernet from Brown Leaf. And I'm just going to try to blend that out as much as I can. To get that gold in there, because you know the gold has to be in there, we're going to use Honey Gold from Hint Beauty, and we're going to pop that just right in the center of the blue. Just in the center, trying to create a halo eye effect. Don't know how I'm liking it yet. This is it with the gold added. You kind of lose some of the blue, but I wanted the gold to be stronger than the blue, and the blue to be like a peekaboo kind of blue. But once I clean it up, you'll see it's gonna look bomb.com. Line my eyes. And I'm using the Physicians Formula eyeliner pencil, the same one that I always use. Are going to add some mascara. I haven't decided if I'm going to add lashes yet, but for right now I'm going to use the Hint Beauty mascara just to do something in the meantime until I decide if I'm going to add lashes or not. Foundation, we're going to go in with my usual, my Plain Jane Beauty foundation. This is in the color number 14, I Am Magnificent. Shake it up. One pump on the back of my hand. Dab it in the brush, start with the center of my face, and then just blend it out. Brows I added off camera. Now I'm going to go in with concealer. This is a Shea Moisture concealer in the color Hazel. And I'm just going to blend that out. The Hint Beauty Pure Powder, the Hint Beauty Valeto Pure Powder Foundation in the color Rich Chestnut. I'm going to use that to set the concealer and my entire face. The Hint Beauty Forte High Definition Eyeliner Pencil in the color Black, just to line waterline. With the same brush that we used to add that blue, I'm just going to take it on the bottom waterline as well, just to add the blue so it can pop more. Because we kind of lost it when we added the gold before. Now with the blue added, I feel like we do need lashes because you can't really see my lashes, but at the same time I kind of don't want to add lashes, you know? Don't know what to do. The dilemma. I'm just gonna add more mascara, basically. Add more mascara. No lashes today, just mascara all day, every day. Highlighter, that's the last step. We are going to use the eyeshadow from Hint Beauty, the same honey gold that we put on our eyelid, and we're gonna use that as highlighter. I mean, why not? So just, ooh. Cause you guys know I like me a nice glowy look. And just blend it out. Lastly, you guys, we're gonna add the lip color. This is from Elade Cosmetics. This is from Elade Cosmetics, and this is in the color Fierce. I feel like I need the lashes. I don't know why. It's just an addiction, you guys. I know I'm done, but I gotta put the lashes on. I'm trying to rush to get out of the house, but I gotta do it right. So let me come back with lashes. Now the lashes are on. I'm just waiting for the lash glue to finish drying on the lash. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna set my face. This is the Plain Jane Beauty Coconut Water Setting Mist. I'm just gonna set everything. So this is it. This is the glowy blue, purple, gold Kwanzaa look that I created inspired by my Kente Cloth. And I know you guys might be wondering, okay, where is this Kente Cloth? I incorporated it as a belt in my outfit, which I'm going to show you guys right about now. Hope you guys have a happy Kwanzaa if you celebrate. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Keisha Adinkra's video. I will make sure to link it in the description bar, and make sure you guys are enjoying your Kwanzaa celebration. Bye.